Missing defects is a costly problem for manufacturers. The sigPOD from Sciemetric detects defects as they occur in production, where it is most efficient, and before they become bigger issues down the line. sigPOD is an in-process test and monitoring system. It is designed to provide the utmost flexibility while allowing you to standardize part test and process monitoring on a single platform for the entire plant. From its robust, compact packaging to its advanced data-driven functionality, sigPOD is built to deliver the features manufacturers need while providing the industry's most accurate pass-fail decisions. sigPOD is powered by Process Signature Verification, or PSV, software, which features the industry's most advanced use of digital process signatures, also called waveforms. Quality decisions are made in milliseconds based on thousands of data points gathered from your processes for the most accurate defect detection. Even the most subtle of outliers can't hide from sigPOD. Our customers have used the sigPOD for thousands of applications. It supports virtually any critical to quality test with absolutely no programming. Also, the system is easy to update with continuous improvements that you can identify by analyzing the waveforms from your processes. In today's smart factory, data is critical to deliver the insight you need to make intelligent decisions at all levels of the organization. sigPOD is a true Manufacturing 4.0 platform. Customers worldwide choose it for its ability to collect data and present it in multiple ways, right on the sigPOD station or at your desktop through our manufacturing analytics software. You can even connect multiple sigPODs to a turnkey database and perform advanced manufacturing analytics without substantial IT overhead. If you care about part quality, sigPOD is the powerful solution you need. Contact us today to learn more about how sigPOD can help you get a closer look at what's really going on across your production line.